Hi everybody, it's time for another unboxing. We are down to 2. We are almost done unboxing out of the Amazon box. So I've got my wheel. Will it be camping or will it be the butterfly girl? That's what I call her. She's really pretty. So let's spin and let's see. Camping. We're gonna do camping and then camping number 2, and let's see what is in it that we can put to detail just a little bit more. And both of these camping came in a nice thicker bag, so I'm gonna keep it. That's nice. I could use it to store something if a bag, if a bag is ripped, I can use it to store, or I can store supplies. I always need storage. So let's see, this camper, this one says, Happy Camper. So this one is Happy Camper. That's going to be that one. Okay, put that away. Well, let's break into it. How do I get into it? Usually there's a, there it is. Hi. That's my Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, girl. What you doing, baby girl? Okay, we got that out. Ooh, I'm gonna have to take trash away. So we got the Happy Camper. Let's get out the diamonds, and of course you get a tray. So any kit, I shouldn't say any, but everyone I've had has a little kit in it. A pin, wax, tray. Some have little bags for storage, some do not. Are you acting crazy or what, Charlotte? Hi, are you gonna calm down? Put this on my bag, on my whole stack of them. Alright, let's get to the colors, because I love to see what colors I have. Let's see. There we go. Alright, let's see. Ooh, these are nice. They have all kinds of information on them. The number, the DMC number, which is 310. Yeah, these are nice. And they'll just need to be unfolded and refolded so they'll fit in. Let's get the inner part, because usually there's an inner part that's a little shorter. And that we can, and you definitely, when you refold, you don't want to fold in here. Let me show you. You don't want to fold this way. You don't want to put a crease in the bag. You want to fold it. There's plenty of extra space in between to fold in between. Because if you have a fold there, and you try to take the diamonds out with a fold, it's not nice. It's a little bit more time consuming because they don't pour out as nice. Is that enough? Yeah, I think that'll fit. Yeah. Okay. So let's put that there. I might have to angle it a little bit. Okay. Camping number 2, Happy Camper. Diamonds are packed to go. Under bed storage. I can throw those in the chair. And this one is Happy Camper. I think it's so cute. Oh, Happy Camper. My husband picked this one out with the other. He got 2, so we're going to have 2. Most likely one for the house and one for the camper. So we'll have 2 of those. Just roll it up. And see if we can't straighten it out a little bit. Let's see, is that straight? That's better. It's a little better. Still wrinkly. It's still, you can tell, still all those wrinkles. We're going to get all those wrinkles out, hopefully. So that's what we're going to do next. And I'm sure some are yelling, this is a straightener. Well, I kind of feel like, yeah, it could be a little bit of both. Help straighten and straighten, like and I'll show you when you're diamond painting, sometimes when you put your diamond down, it's not exactly, it's like hanging over, so you just gotta scrape them so they'll be in line. This is kind of a straightener too, so this is like a 2-in-1, but I'm using it now to scrape. We're gonna scrape the camper. Whoops. Come on, work with me now. This is going to be one I got to take it a little slower. That's alright. We have time. We have all the time we need. Let's get that part done. Okay, we got that. Now let's lift the next little section and let it fall down as straight and as smooth as we can get it. Then don't worry about the part you dropped, because we'll fix that in a minute. Let's go this way and straighten that little section a little bit too. Get it all the way down. Okay, now we're working from here. You can tell what's a little smoother and what's not. So let's go to this next little section. Come on, unstick. And just drop it down. Do this next section. Okay. And then we'll do this last section. Get down. Get down. Charlotte, get down, please. All right. So let's smooth it this way. Oh, and in the window there's a little teddy bear. And I don't know what that is in the window. There's things in the windows. I wonder, that looks like a teddy bear, but I'm not sure. Teddy bear, I'm not sure what this one is yet. Maybe it's the Happy Camper or in his camper. So let's see. Let me get unstuck. Ow, unstuck. I am unstuck. Okay. Let's see how we're doing now. All the way across this edge. This side, all the way across. We want it to be flat as possible. And I think, compared to what it was, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty flat. So we'll just sit here and try to flatten it out a little more with my hands. I am so thankful that you're here. You are loved and you are welcome. This is a safe place and you will not be judged. While my cats have a cat fight, they're playing. It's not a real fight. You won't be judged. Bullying is not permitted. Trolling is not permitted here. So let's roll this up one more time. Please be careful. Be safe. And try to stay as healthy as possible. And with that, I am going to say this video is done. Gonna go hang this up and put that under the bed, and one more unboxing to go, and then my box is empty, but probably won't be long before there'll be more coming. Thank goodness these aren't that expensive, but they're fun. So, don't forget to be a light in the darkness. Let your light shine. Love you. Good night.